respected teachers, and my dear friends. This is Student PRIYA SREE. I am pursuing 9th grade at LOKSHITH tutorial. Today, I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now, I will say complete seminar regarding adaptations in different ecosystem. In this chapter, let us go to seminar. In this seminar, first I'll ask some small question regarding to this lesson. What do you mean by adaptation and what do you mean by different ecosystems and what is mean by ecosystem? You see, there are different types of ecosystem as well as differences between land and water. There are differences between land and water because land is separated and water separated. On land only water will be presented. This is the different ecosystem. In this how we should learn. Now I'll show some pictures regarding to the desert plant. This is the desert plant. We found different types of ecosystems in the desert. There are different types of ecosystem we find. Some are land and in some are water. And some are found in air. Like these types of different ecosystem we will find. You know what are the differences between mangroves? Mangroves is nothing but we will say in Telugu manda. This is one type of tree which we found in the deep forest. This tree you look like a banyan tree. It looks like a banyan tree because the roots are very long and it was 12 inches of it will be presented. In these trees are very useful, but these are presented as forest. This is also one type of ecosystem we will find in the forest. Forest is also one type of ecosystem. Now I will show picture of that. And this name, another name is kilns. This is area which we found in forest. It protects from the roots is called kilns. This is only the tree. You can see here how much long it was, 12 inches. This was mangrove tree. This was 12 inches and it will found in forest, deep forest. And this was the branches of the tree. And our next one is activity 1. In this activity 1, first you should take aloe vera oil, aloe vera plant, nothing but kalamanda. You should take one kalamanda and bitter leaves and take store bitter leaves in take 2 parts and keep in one part 1 and another part 1. You should pour only 2 tablespoons of water. You should not pour water continuously. After a week, you observe that what happened the roots. Then you note down one book and you write what happens. This is activity 1 about kalamanda. And activity 2. You have learnt about activity 1 and now activity 2. Regarding of this, I will show one picture regarding to this activity. Collect a aquarius plant, nothing but aloe vera. Collect aquarius plant and take it home and keep it and observe under the water and you can see activity 2. From the above activity, we see that plants dry up very fast. Some plants will not dry because the situation surroundings, they will depend upon the situations. In summer season, the water will dry up, the water will take. Some plants will get only little water. It can grow. Some plants want so much water. It cannot take little of water. Some plants will take small amount of water. Again, it will grow back. This is only the activity 2, aquatic plants. Now you understood about activity 1 and activity 2. Can you say, I hope you understood what is activity 1 and what is activity 2. And our next topic is about different ecosystem in adaptation. You know there are different ecosystems. We find in our surroundings only there are different types of ecosystems. We are cutting down of trees, we are killing animals. That's why we cannot observe any types of ecosystems. Now also picture. This is the aloe vera. Organisms, they are settled down in the adaptations. Some plants will store. You know, aloe vera, this plant will store water in these stems. It will grow leaves. This is the main example. It will grow in deserts also because in these stems it will store water. That's why it can grow in anywhere. You can see in our homes also we can see these plants. Is it yes or no? Yes. We'll see these plants at homes, parks, in temples, anywhere. For decoration purpose also, nowadays these plants are using. You know, some living organisms of pebbles. The pebbles will store water. It is very important. It is not a pebbles and it is one type of flower. It will store water and it will reuse. This is also one thing can hotspots and the small amounts of water. And this, you know, cascade, it was round and stone, pins will be presented around this. I will show picture related to this. You can see here is a picture of cascade. This is nowadays it was using for a birthday gifts. And it was for decoration purposes also. Nowadays it was another name also is there for this. For aloe vera also is another name will be presented. These are the medicinal plants you can see. And this is the desert plant. It will also store water. It will grow only desert. You know camel? Yes, camel. It was very long leg and it was so tall. It will store water in that stomach only. Because after 7 days it will drink. Now I will show picture of camel and I will explain each part. This is the picture of camel. You can see your legs. It will react because hot sand will be presented now. That's why it will keep the cells. Means it will protect. Because of these legs only, the camel will not get hot to their legs. That's why it will walk around the deserts. And you can see ice. It will protect the ice lands because of sand will not fall. That's why this camel will protect each part having some special structures. In desert only you can see this. This is camel. Adaptation in some most desert adaptation. You can see in deserts, some animals will very intelligent animals. I will show pictures of 4. Snake, rat and some other pictures and one is parrot. These 4 types of it, they are very intelligent. I will show each of special structures. You can see here snake will be presented. This snake only little of that snake skin will be presented. Remaining it will cover because the sand was so hot. That's why it will keep only little of their skin. And this rat, it will only be the cool places of desert. It will swim. And another, this is one type of. This is the golden mole. This is nothing but it will swim in the sand. It will cover its body like this and the cool. It will maybe cool. And this is the sandal rose. This is also one type of bird which will cover from the hotness of the desert. These are the 4 types. Slide winder, snake, rat, golden mole and sand rose. These are the 4 adaptations in some more desert animals. These are the some desert animals you can see here. Now what I said you understand. There are different types of ecosystem. One is marine ecosystem and one is freshwater ecosystem. I think you understood about freshwater ecosystem and marine ecosystem. Marine ecosystem is nothing but which lakes, ponds, rivers are known as marine ecosystem. Remaining which will be left now that will be freshwater ecosystem. These ecosystems will be used in different ways. Now I will show pictures. Adaptation in ecosystem. We shall read about so many times of in this way. Aquatic ecosystem and marine ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystem, what do you mean by aquatic ecosystem? Where do you find these aquatic ecosystems? Yes, you will find these types of ecosystems. Marine ecosystem. Nearly 2000 years back, living organisms are presented, and this ecosystem will be used. There are two types of ecosystems. One is aquatic and one is marine. Now you understood about marine and aquatic. Let us go to another topic. While going topics, you should understood about marine ecosystem. Again, these topics will be presented more. And now I will show one picture related to this different zones in marine ecosystem. There are different zones in marine ecosystem. You can see here concentration of pillagets. This is the marine zones of marine ecosystems. Now I will show pictures and table related to this. You can see picture, and this is 1 meter, 200 meter, 15 and 6506. This is the oceanic zones, and this is the zone light, temperature, depth, plants, animals. You can see in this table you understood about the depth and the temperature, light, zones, plants and animals. These are you can see in different zones of aquatic animals. In this way, you have been learned about this so many things. You know, so many animals are dying because of plastic. You know how the plastic we are using. That's why only water animals are dying. So many fishes are dying because of plastic. They don't know. They think it is a food and they will eat and it will not digested and they are dying. So many big fishes are 5 tons. Plastic eat on fish were died. Like this blue whale, so many animals are dying. Animals, domestic animals, pet animals, so many things are dying. But we are using plastic. We should not throw plastic in the water sewage. So I'll request one thing, you should not throw plastic in the water sewage. Let us go to another topic. Yes, I will go to next topic. Now I'll show one picture related to this. Adaptation on the basics of light penetrates. You can see this is a picture. Ray fish. It will be presented at the deep of the water. It will not get any light. And this is the battle zone. You can see organisms and living things which are there mostly faulted on the synthetic environment. Which environment they will adapt it. In this deep of the ocean, some will be not presented photosynthesis and energy will not be. In this marine, this adaptation and basics of light, photosynthesis will be presented. You know, in sea also plants will grow. That is known as waste plants. It will like horseshoe. And this animal will be ray fish. And now I'll show another picture. This is the coralline carnis. This is their usually very shaped version. Plants are mostly green and photosynthesis sleep. This is a picture of that. And now we'll show another picture. This is the bright lights and this is like a fish. You can see this fish also will be presented at the deep. And also another fish, small fish, also in textbook picture. This is also one type of fish. And this is the Bertel star. You can see it is also in star type of. These zones are dark and cold towards the photosynthesis. The photosynthesis will not be attracted. You know electric eel? Yes, you have already learned in Discovery channels. You have able to see this. Electric field. 6,000 of tons electric will be done. Well, any hunters will come to catch this. It will generate the electricity to other persons. It is very dangerous fish. And these fishes are freshwater ecosystem. And our next topic. Let us go to next topic. Yes, and our next topic is freshwater ecosystem. Now, I will show two pictures regarding freshwater ecosystem. These are the two pictures of zones in lakes ecosystem and types of organisms presented. You can see in these pictures only you understood about this freshwater ecosystem. You can see the presence of water and the animals will be presented upper layer and fishes and the ground level and the waste plants. And this is another type of picture. This is the type of organisms presented. Which type of organisms are presented in this? And this is a seal. You know about seal? Yes. In before topics we have to learn. Now you understood about different ecosystems, about animals and what are the functions, and which animal is deep of the water and which animals are under the ocean. You have been understood? Yes, I hope you understood. And I will show some small pictures. Adaptation in aquatic animals. You can see here water. This is a waste plant which will grow under of the water. And this is water lily. It will use, but this plant will not use because it will grow in the water. If one plant grow, it will totally flatly it will grow. It is very dangerous. And our next topic is about tree. This is a modification stem. Nothing but I will explain about this tree. Because of the temperatures and the season, the tree will grow and it will fall. In winter, before winter starting, the tree leaves its flower leaves. After starting of winter, again it will go. Again summer and spring season, again it will lose. This process will be growing trees. Now you understood about trees? Yes, I hope you understood. And our next topic, adaptation in temperature in animals. Some animals will live in cool areas, Himalayas. The snow will fall. In there, the blue whale and some animals, aquatic animals, polar bear will be live. These animals adapted to that situations and their surroundings. When that animals will grow in our India? No, it cannot grow because the Himalaya place was so cool. That's why it cannot adjust to the surroundings. It is also one type of aquatic animal. When the hot season will come, it will die. Blue whale. I will show some pictures to this. This is the blue whale and this is the polar bear. You can see in zoo and blue whale. You can see in the oceans. It is very dangerous. And you can see seal. Seal, it will adapt to any surroundings which places they want to adapt. It is very adjustable animal. It can live in anywhere. It is the one best example of aquatic animal. Now I will show pictures of frog under the ground. You can see here pictures of response to the adventure situations. This is the habitat. This is the frogs will be presented underground. When the rain will fall, it will store underground and this is the known as frog. Now you understood about the adaptation in responses of ecosystem adventures. In these frogs are very in winter season it will come, rainy season it will come out. Now we'll go to another topic. Yes, we'll discuss about another topic. Now in these topics we have learned lynches. You know about lynches? Lynches is one type of bacteria will be presented on the stem. The stem was 1 centimeter and this is the bacteria. You can see the small leaves will be presented on the stem. Yes, this is also one type of adaptation as a response of the advances of this lynch. And we will discuss about one crow. And before going this chapter, I will show one picture related to this. Adaptation radiations in Japan's fishes. Story of drowning fishes. 1885, the HSS Swift was founded this. The scientists was think there are 13 types of beaks will be presented this. There are 13 types of beaks for each one. Large tree finch, mangrove finch, wooden pecker finch, warbler finch, coast island finch, small ground finch, medium ground finch and large ground finch, short beaker ground finch, cactus finch, large cactus finch, vegetarian fish, small tree finch and last is medium tree finch. These are the 13 types of beaks will be presented in this adaptation radiation in Camus jibs. Now this is the last topic will be differences in ecosystem. You have learnt about so many things of aquatic and marine water and fresh water, about animals animals' wastages, which animal will be depth and which animals will be up. You understood so many things which are in our nature. I hope you all understood my seminar. Thank you for spending your valuable time for watching my video.